to take coal and water here.
I hope that coal chute comes down easier than it did the last time.
Be careful not to run the tank over and get your shoes all soaking wet like you did last time.
We didn't use as much water on this trip as we usually do. This shouldn't take long. I filled the tank to the top, but I didn't get my shoes wet.
We're going to pick up 20 more loads out of number 2 track when we're done here.
We'll be good on water for the rest of the trip.
Then let's get pulling.